Hello my dear 8th class students, we are going to continue the same first lesson, what is science. Today I am going to we are going to discuss about the 8th class biology, how scientists work on scientific method. Okay, see the heading, how scientists work scientific method. Okay, when one thought comes to the scientist mind, you want to investigate something, okay, which skills is going to conduct. Okay, let's see about that how scientists work scientific method. Okay, there are 5 steps in this. Okay, there are 5 steps in this. If you want to conduct an experiment, there are 5 steps. If you follow these 5 steps, you can finish your experiment. Okay, either it is goes to be correct or incorrect, but you can finish the experiment. Let's see step 1. Okay, step 1, observe and ask questions. Observe and ask questions. This is the first skill of scientist when he is going to conduct an experiment. The first step he have to follow, that is step 1, is observe and ask questions. Have you understood? He have to observe the experiment and he have to ask the questions to himself. He has to pose the questions to himself. Okay, when you start questioning yourself, you will find some answers. Okay, and you will find some what we can say that you will get some ideas. Okay, step 2, form a hypothesis. Okay, how you are going to start experiment. Okay, form a hypothesis. Form a hypothesis. How you have to start the experiment. You are going to start a hypothesis. When we comes to step 3, plan and experiment. You have to prepare your plan about the experiment. Okay, for example, plan and experiment. Okay, you are going to conduct some experiment. You need some test tubes, you need some chemicals, you need some apparatus like microscope, slides, in brushes and water and chemicals, like that. Plan and experiment. Plan and experiments means you bring all those apparatus together to conduct your further experiment. Step 4 is conduct the experiment. Start conducting experiment. Okay, before conducting the experiment, you should have some idea about the experiment, how you are going to conduct the experiment. When scientists conduct an experiment, it will go step by step. There is a manner. Okay, step by step. When we comes to the procedure, okay, experiment చేసేటప్పుడు procedure అంటే చేసే విధానం ఎలా చేయాలి, step by step. For example, I'll give you, your mother prepares upma at home. Okay, she have some idea, procedure. There is a procedure. First, when she flames stove, she will keep something like bowl, and she will add oil, after that onions, after that jeera, after that green chili, and after that some ginger paste, and after that she will add some water and salt. After when it water gets boiled, she will add upma rava. Okay, in this way there is a process. Same scientist also having his process. Okay, 4th one is conduct the experiment is completed. Step 5, draw conclusions and communicate the results. Okay, after completion of experiment, check the results. Check the results. Either experiment is correct or incorrect. Either the experiment is correct or incorrect. Let's see once again. Okay, how scientists work scientific method. There are 5 steps in that. First step is observe and ask questions. Step 2, form a hypothesis. And step 3, plan and experiment. Step 4, conduct the experiment. And step 5, draw conclusion and communicate the result. That results may be correct or incorrect. Here I would like to give you one example. Okay, I am going to give you one example. For example, you want to test the water. That water is in which nature? You want to know that either it is acidic nature or alcoholic nature. You want to check the water either acidic nature or alcohol nature. Okay, acidic nature means it having some acids in it. Alcoholic nature means it have some alcohols. Some are neutral. Some are neutral. For example, we have a scale paper we call litmus paper. Litmus paper. That litmus paper may, if it turns pink color, we can say that acidic. If it turns into blue color, this is called acidic. Acidic and alcoholic, this is called neutral. White in color almost all is called neutral. Okay, here you have to take an beaker. You have to take an beaker and take the sample water in a beaker. Take the sample water in a beaker. Now take the litmus paper. That litmus paper dip in this water. Dip in this water. Corner of the litmus paper dip in a water. When this litmus paper turns into pink color, it is acidic in nature. It is acidic in nature. When it turns into blue, it is alcoholic. Or when it is neutral, we can say it is a neutral. Well, always polluted water is acidic in nature. Soap water, same, you conduct the experiment with soap water, it is acidic. Okay, so it is an example. Okay, for example, you need litmus paper and sample water and you have to check it. Observation skills. Okay, small example I given you here. Okay, in this way, how scientists work, scientific method we have to follow. Okay, this is a homework to you all. Write the heading, how scientists work, scientific method. Write these 5 steps. Next class I am going to explain tomorrow. Thank you.